This wasn't made with After Effects. I made this map animation with AI, and honestly, it slays motion graphic design. In this video, you'll learn how to create an AI map animation using Nano, Banana, and other AI tools, all in one place, Fotor. First, we need 4 images. One of the Earth, one of the country map you want, one of a famous landmark, and finally, one of yourself. For this example, I chose the USA. You can screenshot maps directly from Google Maps' satellite layer or download free stock images. Just make sure the country borders are clear, otherwise the AI might not highlight them correctly. Now, go to Fotor AI Image Generator and under Models, select the trending Nano Banana. Upload your country map to highlight it. Here's the exact prompt you can use. Highlight the USA on the map with a semi-transparent red fill and a bright red border. Add bold white text, United States of America, centered in the highlighted region for clear visibility. If your original map doesn't have clear borders, you might end up with something messy like this. But don't worry, just try again. You can also switch the angle of the map into a 3D view to make it more immersive. Generate multiple times until you get the best angle, since sometimes the AI misunderstands perspective. Next, let's add landmarks. If you want a landmark placed accurately on the map, mark the spot first, then use this prompt. Replace a realistic 3D model of the Statue of Liberty at the location marked by the blue circle on the map with natural lighting and shadows. Then, upload the landmark image you prepared earlier and type this prompt. Identify the Statue of Liberty in this image and outline it with a glowing highlight. On the left side, add a semi-transparent infographic panel in modern UI style, clean lines, bold typography, minimal icons. Connect the panel to the Statue of Liberty with a single thin glowing line to indicate the link between the data and the statue. This creates a really cool AR-style infographic effect. And if you want to include yourself in the scene, just upload a photo of yourself along with the landmark image and let Nano Banana generate a photo of you together with it. You can even make it look like you're outdoors in a street scene. So now we've got all the images we need. Next, let's turn them into an animation. Head over to Fotor AI Video and choose Image to Video. Select the model Seedance Lite. Then, click Enable Last Frame. Upload your images one by one. Start with the Earth photo as frame 1, then upload the USA map as frame 2. Here's the prompt I used. The Earth rotates once and then zooms to the corresponding position. Then, for the next frames, you can show the map turning red with highlights, change the perspective, and add landmarks. If writing transition prompts feels hard, you can even ask ChatGPT to help generate them. The results come out surprisingly good. After generating, you'll have a full set of animated clips ready. Now, let's open CapCut. Import your clips and line them up in order. To make the animation feel smoother, you can adjust the speed. For example, take a 5-second clip and speed it up to 2 or 3 seconds depending on your style. But visuals alone aren't enough, it feels a bit empty. To really sell your animation, you need sound effects. CapCut has a big library of free sound effects. For example, add a whoosh sound when the Earth rotates. Add a pop-up sound when text appears. Add a stone sound when the landmark rises from the map. These small touches make the map animation feel so much more cinematic. And that's it for this AI map animation tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below.